In this training session, we're continuing to look at our invoice option, but I'm going to log in with a lower level user. I'm going to log in with user 2, select the company, and here you'll see even the menu options are fewer. I'm going to say process invoicing. And the data that I'm going to select here is a data with a credit limit of R1. Immediately, a screen's going to come up telling me that this account has a problem with a credit limit. It also has a problem with an outstanding total, and that the current invoice has got a zero balance. So basically, it's now coming up saying this invoice is actually not allowed to be processed because the credit limit has been reached. If the user is allowed to carry on, the supervisor can then override this transaction. Okay, now I want to show you a few other things. If you select a stock item, just see what I've got, that will go into a minus. The screen's going to come up saying, okay, this is not allowed because the stock is going into a minus. And this data is not allowed to do that. If you want, you can override it with a supervisor logon. Another option is if you select an item that is on hold, immediately it's just going to come up saying, sorry, this item is actually on hold, and it will not allow the data to process the invoice. Also here at the bottom it tells you that the credit limit has been exceeded. So in this training session, I just wanted to show you how you can restrict a user when you process an invoice. And all these restrictions you set up at your menu access security settings. And that concludes looking at a lower level user processing an invoice.